Day 6. On this day, students are actually starting to report out their findings from their research. So they're going to actually start to write. They get 2 days to write in this unit about one or two individuals who've used writing to help themselves. I would recommend one, because in a short research report, you would probably want to have enough space to cover a little bit of biographical information, a little bit of reporting out about the texts themselves, and then perhaps an impact section. Here's the thing. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to make some kind of a video available to students about how to write this report, because it feels like something that you might be better off doing or making yourselves. Some kind of rubric's probably not the right word, but some sort of a plan, an outline, an expectation assignment sheet, or a video, because I'm not sure what your students' backgrounds are or how much research they've done. I know my students have done considerable research argument, but not a lot of research report writing. And you might make the argument that research reporting is not as common or relevant or necessary in your curriculum. But because it's something that still does happen in college, if nothing else, then I'd like students to have an opportunity to research in a reporting style. If they decide to add argumentative components, I wouldn't see a problem with that, because if they want to try to make the argument that their young author is significant, they're still reporting out to us, but they've decided to kind of level up and add some argument complexity to that. And I like that. So I'll make sure to tell my students that they're welcome to use their research to craft a mini argument if they want to. But anyway, they're going to start to write some reports, and you can decide what aspects you'd like to see included there, and also how long the reporting should be. And again, you might want to decide with your library media specialist, or just decide for yourself. Do you want formal citing? How's that going to look? Do you want to have a requirement for X number of citations, X number of end of source citations? Do you want to have a database source and a web source, or two web sources? If you have a way that you can put some criteria out there for your students, not necessarily because you're grading, but maybe you just want to make sure that they all reach that research readiness level so that they're going to be ready for next year.